How you doing? It's George at Wicked Mornings, your number one source for construction and emergency. Playing around with a little street sweeper here for Gayton, customers of ours. What we needed was some good lighting for working at the airport. Got a Baja Designs S20 right down there in the bumper. Oh, that fit really nice. That's going to light up everything they need to see when they're working in the airport or big parking lots. Needed a little bit of front warning, not a whole lot. So we went with an all-new light that you're going to see on our website soon. That's a VHB mount, complete light stop, 6-inch amber, but we have it in amber white. Added that in. We also replaced all of the sweeper heads with Diode Dynamics SS3 lights. So they got a bunch of those all around, so they'll have nice, good flood lighting all over. And around the back, we brought this truck in with a broken, defective beacon way up there, which we've replaced it with the LED Beacon by Techniq. We also added 2 amber Raptor lights on the back there, just to give him some good rear warning, because you can see how the factory beacon location isn't all that good. So this is a monster, a big old sucker, but not something we normally do, but we did it just for this one customer. So hope you enjoyed this sweeper video. I did a couple other ones, and man, these things, I gotta tell you, they're kind of a pain in the ass. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings, your number one source for construction and emergency LED strobe lights and equipment.